so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have something really exciting to share with you guys. If you haven't seen already, Lush are releasing a very new, very exciting, very different collaboration, and I personally cannot wait. I am so excited. The kid inside of me is absolutely screaming because I'm a Mario Kart queen. That's a bit of a hint. But anyway, we are going to be going through the spoilers today for the Lush Cross Mario collaboration. I am so incredibly excited. I heard about this a little while ago, and then my friend Ben messaged me and was like, we've got the stock in, and it kind of made me realise I haven't made a video on this yet. So here it is. Today's the day. I am so excited to share this with you. You probably have seen it already, but I thought, why not make a video for those of you who haven't? Lush is coming out with a collaboration with Mario, and I am so excited. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item is a shower gel. This is a red shower gel, and surprise surprise, it's called Mario. This is likely to be around £8 for 100 grams, £16 for 250, and roughly 27 for 500. And this is Santa's Christmas / Reindeer and Robin scented, which from what I remember, it was quite a sort of sweet berry kind of smell, and I did really enjoy it, so I'm really looking forward to that. I do wish that maybe some of these products were like brand new fragrances, because I feel like that's what I would love to see more of. Do you know what I mean? I hate repeats. I kind of feel like it's a little bit pointless and it makes me less excited. However, looks fab. The packaging looks incredible from what I can see, and I'm just so excited to smell it. So we have that one. That is the first item. Then we have the Luigi shower gel, which again, same pricing, £8, £16, 27, and this is Once Upon a Time scented, which is so white scented, which means it's going to smell like crisp, ripe apples, and I'm so excited about that. I did originally think they were going to do like Lord of Misrule, which if they did, I think I would have been a little bit disappointed because of how obvious it was going to be. However, I am so excited about this because they haven't, if I'm correct, brought out a kind of So White Once Upon a Time fragranced shower gel since they had the So White shower gel, which was years ago. I worked there then, and I think that was when I first started working there, so we're talking probably like 2015 or something like that. I could be wrong, but I'm really excited about that as well, and I love the colour, a really super vibrant green, so really looking forward to that one. The next item is the Princess Peach shower jelly, which price wise they don't have a kind of definite amount again, but it's likely to be about £6.50 for a smaller one, and potentially £13 for a larger one. I kind of wish that it was, I don't know, the look of it is really cute. It doesn't scream Princess Peach to me though. I think it's because she's so pink and bubblegummy to me that I think I kind of would want it to be a little bit more pink and vibrant. But that being said, I am really excited because it is a brand new fragrance. This is what I'm excited about. Is smelling all the new fragrance. I was going to say smelling all the new smells, but smelling all the new fragrances. And this one apparently is Peach Infusion, Sweet Wild Orange, Boot Chew, Litsi, Cubea Oil, Olibanum, Kombucha, I don't know how to pronounce that. Basically very tropical, very, very sweet. So I'm really looking forward to smelling that. That sounds incredible. I'm not a massive shower jelly person anyway. I feel like for me they're kind of like wasted upon me. I just use them as bubble bath, but that sounds incredible and I really can't wait to smell it. So that is the next product. Next up we have another shower jelly, and this is the Bowser shower jelly. Again, price wise likely to be around £6.50 and £13 for the small and the large, and I've just seen the smell of this. It's going to be hot toddy scented. I love hot toddy so much. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, hot toddy is a very Christmassy kind of smell for me. It does bring me back to like Christmas at Lush when I used to work there, but that is gonna smell incredible, and I love the look of this. It's like an orange, kind of fiery. It looks like it could have some shimmer to it, which I'm really all there for. I love that. I can't wait to smell that. That sounds incredible, so I'm really looking forward to that one. Next, moving on to a bath bomb, we have the Question Block Bath Bomb, which apparently again is likely to be around £14. Prices may vary just because I think these are like guesses, but it's probably going to be around the £14 mark. And apparently in each of the Question Block Bath Bombs you will find one of the 6 available power cups. Each power cup is a soap scented with well-known scents such as Outback Mate, Cinders and more. That is so fun. I absolutely love that. I think that's so fun. Very clever, because you're going to get people wanting to buy multiple, which is very good on Lush, very clever. But the soaps that can be included is Ice Flower, which is Outback Made scented, Fire Flower, which is Cinders scented, Mini Mushroom, which is Avocado Co-Wash scented. We have Gold Coin, which is Honey I Wash the Kids scented, Star, which is Sexy Peel scented, and Big Mushroom, which is Big scented. And I love the fact that these are kind of like the Mario Kart question blocks. I just kind of caught onto that. That was really slow of me. I'm really excited about that. That sounds like it would be really fun. So I'm just, yeah, I love it. Will I buy one? I don't know. I feel like £14 is potentially quite a lot. However, I really want one just to see what soap I get. How lame is that? I don't even know, but I'm really looking forward to that one. The next item is Princess Peach Body Spray, which I feel very excited about. It's going to be the same scent as the Shower Jelly, so because it is a new fragrance, I am really looking forward to getting this one. I don't know whether, it's hard because I say that, but I don't know whether I'll purchase it or not, just because I feel like price-wise, it's probably going to be between £25 and £35, which I just don't really want to spend at this moment in time. But if it smells amazing, I probably will be persuaded. So really looking forward to that one. And last but definitely not least is the Gold Coin soap, which again, price wise, we don't have a price at the moment. And I kind of guessed it would smell like this, but this is going to smell like Honey I Wash the Kids. I am so excited about that as well. I feel like all I'm saying is how excited I am about all these products, but I feel like this range is really fun. The only thing I wish it had is maybe like a bubble bar, maybe a face mask or something, just a few more options, because I feel like we didn't necessarily need 2 shower gels and we didn't necessarily need 2 shower jellies either. I feel like we could have had other things instead. However, I absolutely love the big question mark kind of bath bomb soap idea. I think that's so clever, and the fact that you can get loads of different soaps inside I think is so fun and different. I really like the look of the little soaps as well. They are kind of mini sizes. They're probably about 50 grams or so ish, but the little tiny mushroom, like how cute is that? Like I want that. I really want it. So if I buy one and don't get the mushroom, I'm going to be so upset. I better get something boring as well, but the mushroom, so cute, love it. So that is everything for the new Lush X Mario Nintendo range. I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to go and smell all the products and just have a little look at them all, because they just look incredible, and I cannot wait. That Once Upon a Time shower gel, gonna go straight in my basket. I am so excited. I would love to know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Are you going to be buying anything from this range? What's your thoughts? Let me know. I am just really impressed. I really am excited. So yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. But yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching as always. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.